In this video I will show you how to change your Apple ID from one email address to another email address. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, as you know, every Apple ID is associated with an email address. If for some reason you stop using your email address or need to change it, in that case, you may be wondering how to update your Apple ID. For example, this Apple ID is based on Gmail, but I am not using this Gmail address anymore. I am using my new email ID from a different service provider. I want to get rid of this Gmail account completely and never see it again. However, this Gmail account is associated with all of my iTunes and movie purchases through Apple. So that's why I want to replace my existing Apple ID with my new email address without losing anything. And believe me, it's super easy. Let me show you how. Open your web browser and go to the appleid.apple.com. I will primarily do everything from the computer because it's easier. However, if you are using an iPhone or iPad, then don't worry, you can change your Apple ID from the Settings app, and I'll show you where those options are. But for now, let's focus on the computer. Anyway, click on Sign In. I prefer not to use Touch ID or continue with the password option, since it sometimes triggers this error. Simply click on the Use a different Apple ID link. Now enter your Apple ID and password to access your account. This is my main Apple ID, which is based on my old Gmail account that I want to replace. You will find another option here called Email and Phone Numbers. If you click on this option, you will be able to see your primary Apple ID, as well as any other email addresses or phone numbers associated with it. These additional email addresses and phone numbers can be used to reach you through iMessage, FaceTime, Game Center, and other apps. You can easily add more email addresses or phone numbers by clicking on the plus icon. However, keep in mind that this won't change your primary Apple ID, but rather link another email address or phone number to it. But we want to change our main Apple ID. So I close this window and go to the Apple ID section and click on it. Now this is the place from where we can change our Apple ID. So I type my new email address and click on the Change Apple ID button. Now it says to type the password of my current Apple ID. Once you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your new email address. Go to your email address, copy the code, and enter it here. Click Continue, and that's all. We successfully changed our main Apple ID. If I close this window, you can see my Apple ID is now based on my new email address. Please note, if your Apple ID is linked to other services such as Apple TV, iPhone, iTunes, or music, all of those services will be updated automatically. You don't need to do anything, except some services may prompt you to sign in again. So it'll show you your new email address as your Apple ID, but you just need to sign in with the password that's associated with it. Now I will show you how to change your Apple ID on an iPhone or iPad. Follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once there, tap on your iCloud account at the top of the page. You'll then see an option, Sign In and Security. To change your current Apple ID to a new email address, select the Edit option, tap on the minus sign, and then tap on Delete. After that, the process is the same as before. Choose the new email address option, enter your iPhone passcode, and type in your new email address. That's all. So friends, that's how you can change your Apple ID from one email account to another. For more Mac-related videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.